Hey there, what's going on? My name is John Erickson, 5'11", I weigh 170 pounds. More than willing to shave, and as you can see, I have a little bit of hair, which has a bit of curl going to it right now. We can certainly dial that down and make it way more corporate, or we can play with the wave and the curl and have some fun with it. If you'd like, I can get my hair cut too. Let's see, the 3 things I can't travel without. Well, number 1 is here. His name is Dan. He just turned 4. And number 2 is here. His name is Dee, and he's 3.5. And they go with me absolutely everywhere I possibly can go. Now, when I travel for business, I think the only other thing I can't travel without is a pair of headphones. I travel light and succinct, so no worries there. But the destination that we love traveling to, I would say by far, is Hawaii. Now, it takes a little bit of paperwork to get them there, but once we're all there, it is a blast. The last thing we did when we were there was poodle snorkeling, where they both went on a boogie board, and I swam around with fins, face mask, and snorkel, and cruised and saw some amazing stuff at Captain Cook while snorkeling. And yeah, they're great in the water. They have a lot of fun. We go hiking and sailing and just have a blast. So fun in the sun. Thanks so much.